Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy these videos, don't forget to subscribe. I share content that's easy to follow and worth your time. Let's get started.
Many people search for the Tools menu in Outlook 365. You might remember it from older versions of Outlook. However, in Outlook 365, there isn't a single menu called Tools anymore. Microsoft redesigned the interface. Modern Outlook uses a ribbon system instead. This ribbon changes based on what you are doing. The functions you used to find under Tools are now spread across different tabs. For general Outlook settings and account management, click on the File tab. Here you will find Account Settings and Options. These sections contain many of the advanced configurations. Things like setting up new email accounts, data files, or managing your profiles are here. The Options menu is especially powerful. It lets you customize mail, calendar, tasks, and more. Other common Tools functions are on different ribbon tabs. For example, Rules are found on the Home tab under the Move group. Junk email settings are also on the Home tab in the Delete group. Quick Steps are on the Home tab too. If you are looking for specific commands, use the Tell Me What You Want to Do search bar. This is at the top of the Outlook window. Just type what you are looking for, like Rules or Options, and Outlook will show you the command. This search bar is a very fast way to locate features. Remember, the ribbon tabs can change. They depend on whether you are viewing your inbox, a specific email, or your calendar. So, look for the relevant tab for your current task. The Tools menu has evolved into the intuitive ribbon interface and powerful search function.
Thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, tap the thumbs up, hit subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss anything new. See you next time.